Menteri Rangba Kejala Konrad K. Sangma ulakan taj banweng no eka dorkhas kebala ujor persya eka loka yukta hamegilia High Court kumbala dawa da keseng Kongres. Habakran sekilat pathai kubor mentagasni Konrad ulong baga sorkar kanum weng eka dorkhas. Nomor bekila ya kalinti jong kaan bat ka sorkar kan yai tu kat kum kaan. Kumpan supen kan mau ba unong ilam kaliang persya ubdeiru unong ilam ke Kongres Dr. Mukul M. Sangma. Uladawa baga sorkar Megalia Democratic Alliance MDA balayalam daga NPP. Kadai banweng no sisendon di kador khas bala ujor pesya kajing hukum ka lokayukta ban shimti ka Central Bureau of Investigation CBI ban tokit halor kajing keno shalan BA nyu doyong ha kejala. Haba penkesan ni kajing ujor pesya ka hukum ka lokayukta Menteri Rangba ulong bala bisyar benia ekani ka kam katkum kajing puli benia katanat kam an. Ha kaju kupor lobo jing keli kajing trekam ka sorkar barem halor ka lokayukta kam don hok ban tuklar. Nomor bailade ka shimpor dagi senam tang banwad ucarman ru kamyo ulong. Ulakan tajru baga sorkar kaburi AA nagi pajba akbay day bat kanu kam.
No, I think in this particular issue, we are following a proper legal process, and all the actions that have been taken are based on proper legal advice that's been given by the AG and by the law department. So therefore, wherever we have found that there may be some concerns that are there, so we have ensured that based on that only we have taken the steps. So therefore, all our actions have been based on proper legal process and with proper legal background.
So according to the Congress, this petition is just to delay the entire process
I don't,
for investigation?
No, have you gone through that petition? Have you seen the different points that are there? So therefore, all those points, if you go through it, you will find that there are many areas where there are provisions are not in line with the Lokayukta office, in asking certain things. So therefore, based on those provisions only, that petition has been placed, that that the local laws and the rules that are there don't permit certain aspects that have been mentioned in the different points mentioned that are local.
There was also questioned the government's delay to constitute the full body of the Lokayukta.
No, the process is on. And the process is on. I think there should not be any concern from opposition, because I think during that time they didn't even want to put up the Lokayukta chairman. So I think it's. I don't think they should raise any concerns about that. When earlier they took years and years to just put up the chairman, we did not even take a year and a half, and we put up the chairman. Just shows the commitment that we have towards it. So the process is on. I don't think the opposition should mention about it. They should realize that during that time they did not even put up the chairman at that point.
So don't you think that CFA proof on the coal record is required?
Sorry?
So that people can clear the doubts?
Yeah, absolutely. Because the government has nothing to hide in this. If there is a need for it, we will. And we're examining the matter. The Chief Secretary and the AG and I had a meeting yesterday. And I think within a day or so, you will see some results for it.
So can we say we are turning down the demand of the opposition of withdrawing the petition?
Yes, absolutely. We are going to. I've mentioned it again and again that we are moving on a proper legal front. So therefore, we will process according to legal provisions.
So they have also accused the state government of facilitating a cartel, a coal cartel. That is why they said that you are not willing to withdraw. So how do you see it?
No, as I said, this is not to do with anything to do with any kind of facilitation for any individual or cartel or whatever they may say. We are simply going into this petition because the provisions under the Lokayukta is what we felt was not being followed, and therefore the petition that we put in is in regards to that. It has nothing to do with any kind of any issue with coal mining as such. So that's number one. Number two, we have nothing to hide and nothing to kind of worry about. If inquiry needs to be put in, we will put an inquiry even at our level or at whatever level.